Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 76 on PlayStation 5. To begin, simply insert your PlayStation 4 game disc into your PlayStation 5 console, or download the digital version from the PlayStation Store. Fallout 76 runs seamlessly through backward compatibility, offering a smooth experience. Make sure your PlayStation 5 system software is fully updated to ensure the best performance. If you're upgrading, easily transfer your existing save data from your PlayStation 4. Playing Fallout 76 on PlayStation 5 brings several key performance benefits. You will immediately notice significantly faster loading times, thanks to the console's powerful solid-state drive. This means less waiting and more exploring Appalachia. Additionally, the game often achieves improved frame rates, frequently reaching 60 frames per second, providing a much smoother and more responsive gameplay experience. The PlayStation 5's enhanced processing power truly makes a difference. The PlayStation 5's DualSense controller enhances your Fallout 76 experience. While the core controls remain familiar, the DualSense introduces immersive haptic feedback, allowing you to feel environmental effects and impacts more vividly. Furthermore, the adaptive triggers provide varied resistance when firing different weapons, adding a new layer of realism to combat. You can also easily communicate with your team using the controller's built-in microphone. For both new and returning players, here are some essential tips for surviving Appalachia. Always consider joining public teams. They offer significant experience bonuses and make completing challenging events much easier. Prioritize the main quest lines to unlock crucial game features and understand the lore. Don't forget to thoroughly explore the vast open world to uncover hidden locations and gather valuable resources. Participate in seasonal events for unique rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.